Another type of linking that is also a reduction happens when d, t, s, or z links with words that begin with a y sound. Here are examples of each link.
Would you? Want your? Miss you? He's your.
When a word ends with d and the next word begins with y, the combination of the two sounds changes to a j sound. Would you equals would you. Here are a few more examples to practice.
Should you? Could you? Did your? Had your?
When a word ends with t and the next word begins with y, the combination of the two sounds changes to a ch sound. Want you equals want you. Here are a few more examples of this combination.
Liked you. Write you. Let you. Cut your.
When a word ends with a s sound and the next word begins with y, the combination of the two sounds changes to a sh sound. Miss you equals miss you. Here are some additional examples.
Pass your. This shoe. Face your. Case you.
When a word ends with a z sound and the next word begins with y, the combination of the two sounds changes to a zh sound. He's your equals he's your. Here are a few examples for practice.
His year. Refuse your. These your. Phase you.
Now let's practice some of these in sentences.
1. Should you cut your hair? 2. Could you pass your book over here? 3. This is his year. 4. Is this shoe in this picture? 5. I liked you better with long hair. 6. Are these your children? 7. I couldn't face your mother. 8. I called you in case you forgot. 9. How could I refuse your offer? 10. Will they let you come along?